Every online action you take leaves a digital trail, whether you're browsing your favorite websites, sending emails, or streaming videos. Most people don't realize just how much information is attached to these everyday activities, and at the very center of that trail is your IP address, a unique number assigned to your device every time you connect to the internet. Think of it as your digital calling card, quietly tagging along with everything you do online. It's like the return address on every digital letter you send, visible to every website, service, and person you interact with online. This means that, even if you use different usernames or accounts, your IP address can still link your activities together. Your IP reveals your general location, sometimes down to your city or neighborhood, and is tied directly to your internet provider, making it a key identifier that's hard to disguise. Advertisers, tech companies, and even cyber criminals use it to track, profile, or target you. They can build detailed profiles of your habits, interests, and even your routines, all based on your IP address. Changing your IP address isn't about hiding wrongdoing, it's about protecting your privacy in a world built to watch you. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in how much of your personal information is exposed. When your IP changes frequently, it becomes much harder for anyone, whether it's a company, a hacker, or even your internet provider, to build a profile or follow your online behavior over time. This guide will show you how to automatically change your IP address, demystify the technology behind it, and discuss the ethical use of these tools so you can make informed decisions. The goal is simple: empower you to control your digital footprint, safeguard your privacy, and navigate the internet with confidence and peace of mind. In today's world, understanding your IP address is essential digital literacy. It's a fundamental skill for anyone who wants to take charge of their online presence and protect their personal information in the digital age. Think of your IP address as your device's digital home address, a unique identifier that lets the internet know exactly where to send information. Just like your street address tells the postal service where to deliver your mail, your IP address tells websites and online services where to deliver data, videos, emails, and more. Without it, your device would be lost in the vast digital world, unable to communicate or receive anything online. Every device online, your phone, laptop, or smart TV, needs a unique IP to send and receive information. Whether you're streaming a movie, shopping online, or just browsing social media, your device is constantly using its IP address to interact with the internet. Even smart home gadgets like speakers, cameras, and thermostats rely on their own IPs to function and stay connected. Your IP is assigned by your internet provider and is directly linked to your account, and by extension, your real-world identity. This means that your online actions can often be traced back to you through your IP, making it a crucial piece of information for both connectivity and accountability. When you visit a website, your IP is logged, creating a record that can be traced back to you. Websites, advertisers, and even hackers can use this information to learn about your habits, location, and preferences. This digital footprint is constantly growing as you move from site to site. There are two main types: IPv4, which is the older and more common format, and IPv6, which was created to handle the explosion of new devices online. IPv6 offers a nearly limitless number of addresses, ensuring that every device can have its own unique identifier. Despite their differences, both serve the same essential purpose: connecting you to the internet. Most people have a static IP that rarely changes, making it easy for companies to track your browsing habits over time. This consistency means your online activity can be monitored and analyzed, sometimes without your knowledge or consent. This static nature allows advertisers and data brokers to build detailed profiles about you, tracking your interests, purchases, and even your daily routines. Over time, this data can be used to target you with personalized ads or even sold to third parties. Law enforcement can also use your IP to identify you if needed. In investigations, your IP address can be a key piece of evidence linking online actions to real people. The only way to break this chain of surveillance is to change your IP frequently. By rotating your IP, you make it much harder for anyone to track your online movements or build a complete profile of your activities. That's why learning to control your IP is so important for privacy. By understanding how your IP works and taking steps to protect it, you can reclaim a measure of anonymity and keep your digital life more secure. Auto-changing your IP means routing your internet traffic through a network of servers that mask your real address, acting as a protective barrier between you and the websites you visit. This process is also known as IP rotation, and it's a key technique for maintaining privacy and security online. Instead of connecting directly to websites, your device first connects to an intermediary server, often called a proxy or VPN server. This server then forwards your request to the website, so the site only sees the server's IP address, not your own. This extra step helps hide your true location and identity from prying eyes. By rapidly switching between these servers, your IP address appears to change every few seconds or minutes, depending on your settings. This constant rotation makes it extremely difficult for anyone to track your online activity or build a profile based on your browsing habits. VPNs and proxy servers are the main tools for achieving this level of privacy. They create secure encrypted tunnels for your data and allow you to choose from a wide range of server locations around the world. Advanced VPNs now offer automated IP rotation, seamlessly switching your IP address without interrupting your connection. Rotating proxies, on the other hand, can assign a new IP for every connection, or at set intervals, giving you even more control over your digital footprint. With rotating proxies, each request you make can appear to come from a completely different country or device. This is especially useful for tasks like web scraping, accessing geo-restricted content, or testing websites from multiple locations. The result is that your digital identity is constantly shifting, making you a moving target online. This dynamic approach to privacy helps protect you from tracking, targeted ads, and even some forms of cyber attacks. This is the foundation of true online anonymity, giving you the freedom to browse, communicate, and explore the internet without leaving a trace behind. To auto-change your IP, you need specialized tools. Ordinary browsers can't do this alone. Advanced VPNs with IP rotation features and rotating proxy providers are your main options. High-end VPNs like NordVPN or ProtonVPN offer multi-hop connections, while newer dynamic VPNs let you set rapid IP rotation intervals. For more control, rotating proxy services like Bright Data or Smart Proxy provide access to huge pools of real residential IPs. You configure these proxies in your browser or with extensions like Foxy Proxy, letting you rotate IPs on every request or at set times. This flexibility helps you avoid blocks, CAPTCHAs, and tracking. Choose reputable providers. Your privacy depends on it. Changing your IP is just the first step. Websites use other methods like browser fingerprinting to track you. Your browser reveals details like screen size, plugins, and fonts, creating a unique fingerprint. Use privacy-focused browsers like Tor or Brave to blend in and block trackers. Manage cookies by blocking third-party cookies and clearing data after each session. Add extensions like uBlock Origin and Privacy Badger for extra protection. Avoid logging into personal accounts while anonymous, and use encrypted messaging apps for communication. Layering these defenses makes tracking you exponentially harder. Rapid IP rotation isn't just for privacy enthusiasts, it's essential for many professionals. Journalists and researchers use it to investigate sensitive topics without tipping off their subjects. Businesses rely on changing IPs to gather market intelligence and bypass geo-based pricing or restrictions. Everyday users use it to access geo-blocked content or bypass censorship. Security professionals use rotating IPs to test defenses and simulate real-world attacks. In all these cases, changing your IP isn't about hiding wrongdoing. It's about enabling legitimate, protective actions. It's a tool for access, research, and security. The ability to change your IP is a necessity in today's digital landscape. Rapid IP switching has downsides you need to know. Many websites see frequent IP changes as suspicious, leading to account locks, endless CAPTCHAs, or forced logins. Using unreliable VPNs or proxies can expose your data to shady providers or get you blocked by sites due to dirty IPs. Performance can suffer. Rotating through distant servers slows your connection, making streaming or gaming difficult. Relying only on IP rotation can create a false sense of security. Browser fingerprinting and cookies can still identify you. If your VPN or proxy connection drops, your real IP could leak. Use tools like a kill switch to prevent accidental exposure. Anonymity requires vigilance, not just technology. Know the risks before you rely on rapid IP rotation. Anonymity tools are neutral. It's how you use them that matters. In most countries, using VPNs or proxies for privacy is legal, but using them for crime is not. These tools don't make you immune to the law. Determined investigators can still trace illegal activity. Many websites ban automated tools and proxies. Violating their terms can get you blocked. Use anonymity to protect yourself, not to harm others or disrupt services. The ethical use of these tools is about intent. Defend your privacy, don't exploit others. Responsible use upholds a free, open, and secure internet for all. Anonymity is a shield, not a weapon. Online, exposure is the default. Your IP is the anchor for surveillance and profiling. Taking control of your IP is a powerful way to reclaim your privacy. True privacy requires layers: rapid IP rotation, privacy browsers, cookie management, and careful sharing. Each layer makes you harder to track and protects your digital life. These tools are more accessible than ever, but using them wisely is key. Privacy is a fundamental right, not a privilege. Claim it, defend it, and make your digital life your own. Your privacy isn't for sale, it belongs to you alone.